English Phrases Unveiled. Oh no, not again. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English phrases. Today, we're diving into a very common expression. Oh no, not again. This phrase is rich in emotion and context, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of the English language. Let's get started. Oh no, not again, is an expression used to convey a sense of dread or frustration about something recurring. It's often used when an undesirable event or situation happens repeatedly. This phrase can be broken down into two parts. 1. Oh no. This is an exclamation that shows surprise, dismay, or a slight shock. 2. Not again. This indicates that the situation or event has happened before and is happening once more, much to the speaker's annoyance or disappointment. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. Imagine you've just cleaned your kitchen, and a jar of sauce falls and breaks. You might say, "Oh no, not again," expressing your frustration at having to clean up a similar mess again. 2. If it starts raining right as you're about to leave the house, and it has happened several times before, you might react with, "Oh no, not again," showing your annoyance at the recurring bad timing. This phrase can have slight variations while maintaining the same meaning. For example, "Oh no, not this again. Here we go again. Not this again." These variations still express the idea of recurring frustration or dismay. The phrase's meaning can change slightly depending on the speaker's tone and body language. For instance, a sarcastic tone could indicate that the speaker finds the repetition amusing or absurd. A serious tone and a frown might show genuine distress or annoyance. Understanding phrases like, "Oh no, not again," can greatly enhance your grasp of conversational English. It's not just about the words, but also the emotions and experiences behind them. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.